Excellence is never an accident. It is the result of high intention, sincere effort, and intelligent execution. Let us take a moment to honor the brightest mind of our institution, our university toppers whose relentless dedication has brought pride to us all. And behind every successful student stands a dedicated teacher whose guidance and mentorship shape the future of young minds. Today, as we honor our toppers, it is equally important to recognize the teachers who have played an instrumental role in their journey.
A special mention must be made today of a truly historic accomplishment. In the entire history of Maharashtra University of Health Science, Nashik, no stream has ever consistently secured top positions for 4 consecutive years until now. It gives me immense pride to acknowledge that Dr. M.I.J. Tipya Unani Medical College has set a benchmark in the BUMS stream with this extraordinary feat.
Now, without further ado, I request our esteemed guests to please felicitate our toppers and teachers with trophies. The very first name on the list is Khan Juwaria Shamsul Huda. She has secured first position in final year BUMS in winter 2023. And it is must to mention that she has received Maulana GM Vastanvi Gold Medal in final year BUMS yesterday. She has also secured highest marks in Amraz-e Jild wa Taziniat, that is dermatology and cosmetology, in final year BUMS. I invite Dr. Ziauddin Sir, Associate Professor of Amraz-e Jild wa Taziniat, to please come on the dais to receive the honor. And I also invite Dr. Tuba Ghazal, the Assistant Professor of Amraz-e Jild wa Taziniat. Our next topper is Mullah Zeenat Shafi Ahmed. Her achievement list is long enough. She is the fifth topper of MUHS in third year BUMS. She has secured second rank in final year BUMS. She is also the subject toppers in Tibbe Kanuni wa Ilmus Sumum, that is forensic medicine and toxicology in third year BUMS. I invite Professor Dr. Khan Mohammad Kaisar Sir, Professor of Tahaffuzi wa Samaji Tib, that is preventive and social medicine, and Dr. Humaira Ansari Ma'am, Associate Professor of TST, Preventive and Social Medicine, to please receive the honor. She has secured highest marks in communication skill in third year BUMS. I invite Mrs. Sadaf Sayed ma'am to please receive the honor. She is the teacher of communication skill. Zeenat has secured highest marks in Ilbul Jarahat in final year BUMS. I invite Professor Dr. Rashid Kazi sir, Professor of ENT and Ophthalmology, Dr. Sohail Sahibole sir, Associate Professor of Ilmul Jarahat, and Dr. Shaila ma'am, Assistant Professor of Ilmul Jarahat, to please receive the honors. Last but not the least, she has secured highest marks in Amraz-e-Niswa Gynecology in final year BUMS. I invite Professor Dr. Nemat Khot ma'am, Professor of Amraz-e-Niswa and Qabalak Gynecology and Obstetric, and Dr. Zishan Khan ma'am, Assistant Professor of Gynecology and Obstetric, to please receive the honor. Please appreciate the student with a huge round of applause. Our third topper is Sheikh Bushra Wasi. She has secured third university topper in fourth year BUMS. She has been subject topper of Ilmul Qabalat, that is obstetric, in final year BUMS. I invite Dr. Nemat Khot ma'am, HOD of obstetric, and Dr. Zishan Khan ma'am, Assistant Professor of Gynecology, to please receive the honor. Our next topper is Khan Ruqayya. Fourth MUHS topper in final year BUMS. She has secured fourth position in final year BUMS. I invite Khan Saima Khatun Samiullah, the fourth topper in first year BUMS in exam winter 2021. I invite Usmani Hamna Ansar. She has secured fifth position in first year BUMS winter 2021. I now invite Qureshi Nawaz Bhi Imtiaz. She has secured fourth university rank in first year BMS 2023. Also, she has secured highest marks in Munafil Azad, that is physiology. I request HOD of Physiology, Associate Professor Dr. Shahid Ansari, and Assistant Professor Dr. Fatma ma'am, and Assistant Professor or Dr. Faizan sir, to please receive the honor. I invite Ansari Tuba Muhammad Shoaib. She has secured highest mark in anatomy in first year BMS 2023. I invite HOD of Anatomy, Associate Professor Dr. Abdul Mubin Sir and Assistant Professor Dr. Wazif Momin Sir to please receive the honor. We have MUHS topper in subject Tarikh-e-Tib, Siddiqui Shazia in 2018 and Ansari Anam in 2019. I request subject teachers, HOD of Kulliyat, Associate Professor Dr. Maas Sir and Assistant Professor Dr. Niazi Ma'am to please receive the honor. I invite Khan Tabassum, subject topper of Arabic Romantic Falsafa in first year BMS 2022. I invite HOD of Ilmul Sedla, Dr. Muhammad Tariq Ehsan Sir and subject teacher of Arabic and Mantiq Falsafa, Mrs. Salma Ma'am to please receive the honor. We had subject topper in Amraz Atfal, Pediatrics, Shah Fahad, Nida Firdaus and Khan Kulsum. I invite HOD of Atfal, Associate Professor Dr. Dania Ma'am and Assistant Professor Dr. Shadab Jamal Sir to please receive the honor.
Now it's time to felicitate our wonderful anchors of Tibia College for their selfless efforts and devotion. Now it's time to felicitate our wonderful anchors of Tibia College for their selfless efforts and devotion. They have been the backbone in every event of the college. I call Dr. Uzma Yusuf Appi, intern of our college, and a brilliant student who is also the Urdu section editor from Students Board of our annual magazine Parvaz. मैं कहाँ रुकता हूँ अर्श फर्श की आवाज़ से, मैं कहाँ रुकता हूँ अर्श फर्श की आवाज़ से, मुझको जाना है बहुत ऊंचा हद परवाज़ से. Dr. Madhu Zainab, intern of our college, chief editor, English section from Students Board of our annual magazine Parvaz. She is a supportive senior and a very bright student. रहनुमाई आपके रास्तों को रोशन कर गई, रहनुमाई आपकी रास्तों को रोशन कर गई, कोशिशों ने आपकी कतरों को दरिया कर दिया.
Thank you so much, sir, for this appreciation. Gratitude is the wealth that enriches the hearts. To extend our heartfelt gratitude, I now invite Mr. Imran Furniturewala sir, Honorable Executive Chairman of Dr. M.I.J. Tibia Inani Medical College, to deliver the vote of thanks.
आज के इस प्रोग्राम के चीफ गेस्ट प्रोफेसर वैद्य रामन गुंगरालेकर सर, हमारे हर दिल अजीज़ प्रेसिडेंट पद्मश्री डॉक्टर ज़हीर काजी साहब, हमारे वाइस प्रेसिडेंट अब्दुल्ला शेख साहब, शुअब चमकाना वाला साहब, सलीम शकील शेख साहब, हमारे प्रिंसिपल, आए हुए तमाम बच्चों, पेरेंट्स, टीचर्स एंड नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मुझे वोट ऑफ थैंक्स के लिए कहा गया है, तो सबसे पहले तो आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, आप सब ने टाइम निकाला। हमारे जो गेस्ट है वो इतनी मसरूफियत के बावजूद दे हैव कम, जो नहीं आ पाए उन्होंने अपने बेस्ट विशेस भेजे हैं। सो आई अप्रिशिएट एंड आई थैंक ऑल ऑफ देम। और आप सबका भी शुक्रिया, आप लोगों ने, जैसे प्रेसिडेंट सर ने भी कहा कि आप लोग काफ़ी पेशेंट रहे, एंड जो हमारे एक्स स्टूडेंट्स हैं, जो एलुमनाई हैं जो यहाँ पर मौजूद है, उन्होंने काफ़ी अच्छा डिस्कशन किया। सो थैंक यू सो मच। इस अपॉर्चुनिटी को लेते हुए मैं प्रेसिडेंट सर का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा फॉर टू थिंग्स। वन, कि उन्होंने हमेशा मुझे गाइड किया है फॉर एंड हमें सपोर्ट किया है, राशिद सर एंड एवरीबडी ऑन दिस कॉलेज साइड, सब कंफर्म करेंगे कि भाई उन्होंने हमेशा हमें, सर इफ़ आई मे से, आपके 97 इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं, स्कूल्स हैं, कॉलेजेस हैं, पर हम आई थिंक आपके सबसे लाडले हैं, बिकॉज फॉर वट एवर रीज़न, फॉर वट एवर फाइनेंशियल इशूज़ वीव हैड, we have always been closest to you and you've always been partial to us. So thank you so much for that. A special thanks to all the teachers and the non-teaching staff जिन्होंने बच्चों के पीछे इतनी मेहनत की, और पिछले 4 साल 5 साल से हम ये रिज़ल्ट लेते आ रहे हैं, जो कि आसान बात नहीं है। इट्स अ रिकॉर्ड इन द यूनिवर्सिटी इटसेल्फ। जो प्रोफेसर साहब यहाँ मौजूद हैं, रामन सर, ही विल कन्फर्म कि 5 साल से ऐसा हुआ नहीं, किसी और कॉलेज में ये हिस्ट्री है कि ये हुआ नहीं। सो आई एम सो थैंकफुल टू ऑल ऑफ यू and I congratulate all of you that you all have done this. It is unbelievable. और लास्टली एक छोटा सा रिक्वेस्ट है कि मेरे टेन्योर में ये हुआ है, सो थैंक यू सो मच। इट्स अ स्मॉल ग्रैटिट्यूड एंड मैसेज फ्रॉम माय साइड। थैंक यू सो मच। जितने अभी स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ बचे हैं जिनके एग्जाम्स आने वाले हैं, जो फाइनल ईयर में हैं, प्लीज़ कंटिन्यू दिस टिल आई एम देयर अराउंड। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच। और आप सब आए, अल्लाह हाफिज़।
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा, तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
सह्याद्रीचा सिंहगर्जत शिवशक्तीचा महाराष्ट्र स्वाभिमानाची लेणी
ओलादी मनगटे खेळती खेळ जीव घेणी
पारित्र्याच्या उन्हात विठ्ठलाच्या नामाने भिजला देश गौरवासाठी झिजला दिल्लीचे शीश रक्तदाते महाराष्ट्र माझा जय महाराष्ट्र माझा घरचा महाराष्ट्र माझा जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा
With this, we conclude the World Unani Day celebration 2025. Thank you for your presence and participation. Allah Hafiz.